Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by rigging the Zebco Roam. Spool 10-12 LB mono, tie a Palomar knot, trim the tag short. Once done, set the drag light so the lure pulls free under heavy strikes, and set the magnetic brake to a medium setting to prevent windups. Make sure spool tension knob is adjusted so the lure drops slowly when you release. This gives you a baseline. You want the reel responsive but controlled, because that initial balance prevents backlashes before you even cast. You'll now focus on a smooth, repeatable cast. Hold the roam with your thumb lightly resting on the spool and disengage the thumb bar. Use a controlled acceleration and stop at roughly 11 o'clock. Release the thumb as the rod reaches that stop. Once the lure nears the water, apply light thumb pressure to slow the spool and prevent a backlash, then immediately engage the reel before you start reeling. Practice the timing slowly. This is where you convert setup into consistent, accurate casts. You finish by retrieving and dialing in control. Reel with steady turns and mix in pauses or twitches to imitate prey. Once you feel a strike, sweep the rod and engage drag. If you get a backlash, immediately stop, pinch the spool to control line, and slowly reverse the spool to work out knots before trimming snags. If problems persist, tighten spool tension or increase brake slightly. Then practice short casts focusing on thumb pressure until your timing becomes automatic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.